Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel PK Skills. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a subdomain into Hostinger hosting as well as install WordPress on it. So first of all, for installing WordPress and creating a subdomain, you just need to log in your Hostinger account. After login, you will see this kind of dashboard if you have any hosting purchased and domains available. After that, you just need to click on this tab, hosting. After clicking on hosting, you will see your hosting accounts. So just click on your hosting account that you want to manage or want to add a subdomain. So I want to add a subdomain in this domain, so I just click here, manage. After clicking on manage, you will see here in the left sidebar, you will see the domains tab. Just click on domains and just click on subdomains. After clicking on subdomains, there will be this kind of inbox. So just click here and just write the name of your subdomain. So I will write here dev. So this is my subdomain and I will just click here and I will create the folder for this and I will say dev folder for this, and here will be dev.mydomain.com. So this is my domain name and this is the subdomain. So subdomain will be dev.relicdesign.com. For example, and right click here and just click here and your subdomain will be created shortly. So now you can see our subdomain has been created. Here you can see dev.relicdesign.com. Now we are going to install WordPress on our subdomain. So for installing WordPress on subdomain, just click on here websites and just click on auto installer. When you will click on auto installer, you will see this kind of dashboard. Just click on WordPress. Now we are going to write the title of our website. So in the title I will write here dev website. Okay, this is my domain title. So administrator ML, I will remain that, and this will be administrator username. I will say right admin, and here will be my password. Here just click on advanced and select the domain that where you want to install WordPress. So I will click here and I will select dev.relicdesign.com. Now just click on next. Here is just click on install button. Now our WordPress has been installed. For accessing your WordPress, you just click here in this. Here you can see edit WordPress website button. So just click here and now you will be auto logged in your dashboard of WordPress of your subdomain that you have recently installed. Or you can also access your WordPress dashboard for adding your subdomain. This is my subdomain dev.relicdesign.com and /wp admin. When you will access this page, so you will be redirected to this dashboard or login page. Here you can see WordPress has been installed successfully and I can work here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos.